Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Muffin Man, which is the rarest pet in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Muffin Bake update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Muffin Man, you're going to participate in the Muffin Bake event in Grow Garden. You're going to bake right here. And to get the Muffin Man, first you're going to get the sugar egg. You need to bake the pumpkin muffin, and you need 4 pumpkin muffins to trade for 2 sugar egg. So here I'm going to bake the pumpkin muffin, and after you have 4 pumpkin muffins, you're going to talk to the baker, and you're going to select the rewards menu. Hold on. All right, this one. And you're going to trade for pumpkin muffins for 2 sugar egg. And from the sugar egg, you'll have chance to get the Muffin Man, and it only has 0.05% chance to hatch from the sugar egg. So you need a lot of sugar eggs to unlock this Muffin Man. And I'm going to talk about the ability of the Muffin Man. From the information that I got, every 10 minutes, the Muffin Man goes on a sugar hike, temporarily increasing the value of everything you sell. So it can increase the value of fruits or any crops that you sell, guys. I think it's an OP, OP pad, but it's pretty rare. So maybe we need to try many times to get the Muffin Man. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get the Muffin Man in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Muffin Bake update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.